Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from Trail Built, and today we are back in front of you guys because we are going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new wheel that Fittipaldi Offroad has just released. We're pretty excited about it. It's something a little bit different than what we're used to. It's going to be a pretty neat wheel. I've seen pictures of it, but I actually haven't seen the physical wheel. So we're gonna unbox it for you guys, get my first impression of it, show you guys what it is, and then let us know what you think in the comments below. So guys, remember, if you are looking for Fittipaldi Offroad wheels or any other wheels and tires for that matter, you can always find them on trailbuiltoffroad.com. Plus guys, remember that we do have free mounting, free balancing, and free shipping to any state in the lower 48. So with that said, let's go ahead and let's do this unboxing. Smash that subscribe button and hold on for the ride. Let's go. I know somebody had already cut the box open. I didn't cut it open, nor have I seen the wheel. I did pop open the cover, but I was like, nope, I gotta do the unboxing in front of you guys as like an all-natural first time look at it. So these wheels here, this is Fittipaldi Offroad. So if you go to our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com, and you search for wheels by brand, you can search down and it'll be Fittipaldi Offroad, or you can also look them up by, there's two different bolt patterns available for these Fittipaldi Offroads in the 17-inch size. So it is gonna be either it's a 5x5, which is 07 and newer Jeep Wrangler, or they are also available in a 5x130, which is some of your import brands like Volkswagen or like the Mercedes G-Wagon. These will fit on as well. So two different bolt pattern sizes available in the 17-inch wheel size. This particular one's an FTC 16 SB, which is in satin black, 17x9. Fittipaldi in the 17-inch size does only have two available offerings. One is a satin black and the other one is sort of a bronze or sort of a gold. I guess it was more of a bronze and black color configuration. So pretty easy to find when you're on our website. Like I said, it's only one in 17-inch. So with that said, let's check this thing out. What was kind of pretty neat is, Fittipaldi did contact us to see if we wanted to display their only what would be known as an off-road wheel, because it is in that 17-inch size. So just some of the observations right off the bat, they do have some pretty good protection here. Foam around this outer lip here, and nice little hairnet in there, Zach. Let's check this out. There it is. Wow. Alrighty, now that we've propped it up on this box so we can show you guys a little bit better, first impressions, it's pretty much a full face here. So what I mean by that is there's not a whole lot of individual spokes. There are these little windows here, which what that'll do is that'll help prevent some of that mud and some of that, whether it's snow or grime, from getting back into your calipers or even gravel. So that's kind of a nice feature there. I can see it being relatively easy enough to clean, being that there are only these few windows going around here. The other thing that this reminds me of too is sort of like a two-piece Hummer wheel. Even though this is a full one-piece forged wheel, it kind of reminds me of the two-piece Hummer wheels that bolt together and have those beadlock rings in it, even though it's not. So I guess it gives it sort of that more military feel to it. And being that it is a full face, obviously can offer some additional strength as well, being that it doesn't have just individual spokes here. So that's a nice feature too. So other than that, it does make it look like it has the simulated beadlock ring on it, although it is, again, one piece. And the other thing I noticed here too, I was just looking at where the outer bead of the tire sits on this bead seat. There is a little ridge here, little lip that could be used to help keep that bead on the wheel at lower air pressures. So I'm imagining that's what it's for, because most times you see these bead seats and they're basically just a smooth seat and then rounds over to the next lower platform here, whereas this one has a lip on it or a ridge on it that to me looks like it could be held, there to help keep that bead seated at lower air pressures. So I would be interested to see, that bronze color two-piece wheel that's basically like a black and a bronze. That would be interesting to see as well, because that's the one I saw in the pictures. On here as well, right on this faceplate here, it does have a bunch of different engraved or embossed words or letters or numbers in here. So it has SAE, then it has designed in the USA, max load per wheel is 2,500 pounds. And then this here tells you right on the outside of the wheel what size it is, so 17 by 9. And then also what's really nice is it does list the negative offset right on the outside of the wheel, so you don't have to go looking, because most wheels have their offset somewhere on the inside of the barrel here or on the inside of the spokes, whereas Fittipaldi has put it right on the outside, so you know right off the bat this ET number, -12, has a -12 offset, 17 by 9 inch wheel. And then over here it just says JWL. Kind of neat that they have that engraved right on the outside of the wheel. I think it also enhances that look just a little bit more too. Gives it more of sort of maybe an industrial feel to it. And then the only other thing too is I can notice here is one other thing is they do have these little windows here on the outer edge of the rim that to me looks like it can be used to drain any water that may build up here on the inner part of the rim here. So that's kind of a nice design, lets that water sort of evacuate outside of there instead of sitting in this inner part of the rim. So very nice wheel. We definitely appreciate Fittipaldi sending us their new 17-inch wheels for off-road, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, remember, you can find Fittipaldi and all different kinds of wheels on our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com. Also guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and thumbs up to like the video. And as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from Trail Built, and we'll see you guys back again shortly.